Tired of your website background scrolling away? Lock it in place with Hostinger's fixed background feature. Here's how. So here's the plan. We will open your site, select the image, switch it to video, then enable the fixed background option. Let's jump in. Start by opening your site in the Hostinger Builder. This is the main dashboard where you manage everything. You should see your project listed there, so go ahead and click to open it up. Once it loads, you will be looking at your website layout in the editor. Now click on the image you want to fix. This is the background area that keeps moving when you scroll. Just click right on it to select it. You will know it is selected when you see the editing toolbar pop up around it, or on the side panel. If you have multiple images on the page, make sure you have the right one highlighted. It is usually the full-width background section. Alright, here is the bit that might surprise you. In the settings panel that appears, you want to click on the option that says Video. Now, you might be wondering why you are clicking on video when you are working with an image. The reason is that Hostinger treats a fixed background as a video element property. Do not worry, you are not replacing your image with a video. You are just switching the block type so you can access the fixed background toggle. Just click on video and let the editor do its thing. And here is the really important part. In the video settings that now show up, look for the toggle labeled fixed background and turn it on. This is the magic switch. Once you flip it, the background will stop scrolling with the page. It will stay perfectly in place while the rest of your content moves over it. That is the professional look you are after. So now that we have that set up, we need to confirm the change. Look for the button that says Highlight and click on it. This basically tells the builder to apply your new settings. It might just flash briefly, but that is your confirmation that the fixed background is now active on that element. Now let us preview your site to see the fixed background in action. Click on the preview or eye icon usually found at the top of the builder. As you scroll down the page, watch that background. It should stay locked in place while all the text and images on top of it scroll normally. If it is working, it looks really polished. If you want to adjust how the image displays, you can go back into the settings and play with the positioning or zoom to make sure it looks right at different screen sizes. If it is not working, do not panic. Check these common pitfalls. First, make sure you actually switch the block to video before toggling the fixed background. If you try to turn it on while it is still set to image, the toggle might not appear. Second, make sure you clicked the highlight button to save the change. It is easy to skip that step. And finally, check that your image file is large enough. A fixed background that is too small might look pixelated or stretched on bigger screens. Once you are satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and publish your site. Hit the Publish button in the top right corner, and within a few moments your live site will show that clean, professional fixed background. No more amateur scrolling look. That is all there is to it. You have just leveled up your Hostinger site with a simple but powerful tweak. If this helped, stick around for more quick tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.